Today we're checking out the Red Rock center console armrest cover for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. This center console cover is a great option for Wrangler JL owners looking to protect that center console and add a little bit of comfort to their drive. Okay, right away the standout feature has got to be the soft padded design that significantly improves the comfort for your center console that doubles as the armrest. It also effectively covers any imperfections or damage on the center console. Crafted from high quality foam padded material, the cover offers excellent long-term durability while staying lightweight. The matte black finish blends cleanly with the factory trim for a factory-like appearance that looks right at home in the Wrangler's cabin. It's molded precisely to fit over that factory armrest lid, ensuring a snug, shift-free fit. You don't have to worry about it moving around during that daily driving or if you're out there hitting the trails. Like I already mentioned, this cover also hides existing wear and tear to the old armrest, instantly refreshing the look of your interior without the need for any expensive replacement. It's a functional, easy to maintain solution for both form and function of your Jeep. This is made out of really high quality foam padded material, and this cover offers excellent balance of strength and lightness. It resists fading and ripping even when under frequent use and exposure to those varying temperatures. The high quality elastic band is built to last, and it wraps around the edge and keeps a nice snug fit. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $40 price range. Considering the blend of factory-like aesthetics, easy installation, protection, and comfort, this is a budget-friendly upgrade with great value for the money for daily drivers and hitting those trails. Installation is super simple, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you could have it on your center console in just 1 minute. Now let's head on out to the shop and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install goes.
What's up guys, today we're going to be doing an armrest cover on our Wrangler, so let's get started. Alright guys, so we're inside the vehicle and we are going to be installing our cover onto our center console armrest. Now one thing to note, you just want to make sure your armrest is clean before installing this, and you definitely just want to lift it up and we're just going to work it over. So the side with the opening is going to be the front side, so you can still access your latch. So we're just going to get that on, pull that tight. Might be best to flip it up like so. You just want to work this down to the rear. That'll do it.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Red Rock center console armrest cover for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.